the DJI Neo 2 can do right now. And with the massive changes hitting the drone world in 2026, this could be your last chance to grab something truly revolutionary before everything flips upside down. If you're in the USA and love drones, you absolutely need to hear this. Because by the end of this, you'll know why the Neo 2 isn't just a gadget, it's a game changer that's about to become a collector's item. Stick with me here, because I'm diving deep into every angle, from its mind-blowing features to the hidden leaks about what's coming next. And trust me, you won't want to miss a single second. Let's start at the beginning, because to really appreciate the DJI Neo 2, you have to understand where it came from. DJI has been dominating the drone scene for years, turning what used to be clunky, expensive toys for pros into accessible fun for everyone. Remember the early days? Drones that crashed if you looked at them wrong, batteries that lasted maybe 10 minutes, and footage that looked like it was shot on a potato. Fast forward to today, and DJI's lineup is a powerhouse. But the Neo series? That's where things get personal. The original DJI Neo dropped in 2024 as this ultra-lightweight beginner drone, weighing under 135 grams, perfect for tossing in your backpack without worrying about FAA registrations. It had that palm takeoff AI tracking that follows you like a loyal pup, and quick shots for social media magic. But then, in July 2025, DJI leveled it up with the Neo 2. And oh boy, did they pack in the upgrades. We're talking 4K at 60 frames per second for buttery smooth video, a beefed up battery pushing flight times to 22 minutes, and AI editing that's smarter than ever. Imagine editing your clips right in the app with automatic highlights. No more sifting through hours of footage. But here's the hook that keeps you glued. With the FCC's new rules kicking in this year, 2026, models like this might be the end of the line for easy, affordable DJI access in the US. Curious yet? Good, because we're just getting warmed up. Now let's break down what makes the DJI Neo 2 tick. First off, the design. It's tiny, folks, under 150 grams, which means in most places you don't need to register it with the FAA. That's huge for casual flyers who just want to have fun without the paperwork hassle. It folds up smaller than your phone, so you can slip it into a pocket and forget it's there until adventure calls. But the real magic? That controller-free flying. You literally hold it in your hand, give it a gentle toss, and it hovers, waiting for your commands. Use voice controls or hand gestures, wave left, it goes left. Point at a subject, and it locks on with AI tracking. Have you ever tried chasing a friend on a bike while filming? The Neo 2 subject tracking is so precise, it anticipates moves, dodging trees and obstacles like a pro pilot. And the camera? A stabilized gimbal with 4K UHD resolution, electronic image stabilization that rivals bigger drones, and modes like boomerang or helix that create cinematic shots automatically. But wait, what about low light? They've improved the sensor for better night performance, so your sunset hikes or evening barbecues come out crisp and vibrant. I bet you're picturing your next outing right now. And that's exactly why this drone hooks you in. It's not just tech, it's your personal filmmaker. But let's get real for a second. Is it perfect for everyone? Absolutely not, and that's why I'm spilling all the details so you can decide. For beginners, it's a dream. No app needed for basic flights. Just pair it with your phone if you want advanced stuff. The app is intuitive, with tutorials that guide you step by step. Wind resistance? It handles up to level 5, so breezy days aren't a deal breaker. Battery life at 22 minutes means you can squeeze in multiple quick sessions, and quick swap batteries keep the fun going. Pros? Stunning value, under $300 for the base model. Expandable with combos that include extra batteries or even a mini controller for precision. Cons? It's not for long-range pros. Max transmission is about 10 kilometers. But in practice, stick to line of sight for safety. And while it's tough with propeller guards, it's not indestructible, so treat it kindly. But here's a tip that could save you headaches. Always calibrate the compass before takeoff, especially in new areas, to avoid flyaways. Sounds simple? It is, but skipping it is a rookie mistake that could end your flight early. Stay tuned, because next I'm comparing it to the competition, and you might be surprised who comes out on top. Speaking of competition, let's pit the DJI Neo 2 against some heavy hitters. Take the DJI Mini 4 Pro. It's beefier, with omnidirectional obstacle avoidance and longer 34-minute flights, but it's over 249 grams. meaning FAA registration required, and it costs double. The Neo 2 sacrifices some range for portability and ease, making it ideal for spontaneous fun. Or how about the Hover Air X1? Similar self-flying vibes, but its camera maxes at 2.7K. And no expandable storage like the Neo 2's microSD slot.